Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can change the time of a specific photo on iPhone. So let me go to photos, and here you can see that I took random pictures of walls. And why would you want to change the time? This could be, for example, if you have imported photos from another device, especially if it's not iPhone, then typically those dates will be when you import the photo and not when it is taken, and you might want to adjust that because, for example, in library tab the photos are sorted by the date. So that means that, for example, if you take photos on two devices, let's say iPhone and then Android, and you come back from your vacation and import the photos from Android to iPhone, the photos will have different dates. It will be the import date, not the time when it was taken. So you might want to change that. So in order to do so, go to a photo you want, for example this one, and go to the three dots in the top right corner. Now go to adjust date and time, and this will bring up a new menu. For example, I can put that it was taken, let's say here, and then I will select 1655, and you can see that the photo moved here to the left side, meaning that it was adjusted for that specific time, and it was sorted by the time in the library tab. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and if you have any requests for future videos, please let me know as well. Thanks and have a great day.